Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will learn how to make a lavender. Also, don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like this video. Materials used in this video are 4-ply purple and green yarn, 2.5 mm crochet hook, scissor, flower stick and glue gun. First we'll make a slip knot. Take the yarn and make a simple loop with the working yarn crossing over the tail. Put your hook under the loop and grab the working yarn. Pull the working yarn through the loop to create a new loop. Now gently pull the tail and working yarn to tighten the knot. Now we'll make a chain. With the slip knot on your hook, yarn over and pull the yarn through the loop already on the hook. Now you have one chain. Continue this to make 90 chains. Now make 2 double crochet in the third stitch from the hook. Steps to make double crochet is shown in previous video. Link is shared in the description. Make 2 chains and slip stitch in the same stitch. In the next stitch, slip stitch, make 7 chains. And then again do slip stitch in the same stitch. Keep repeating these steps until you reach the end. Now we have reached the end. Make a slip stitch and cut the yarn. Now take green yarn and a flower stick. Glue the green yarn to one end of the stick. Now wrap the yarn around the stick without leaving any gaps. Now glue the yarn to the other end of the stick and cut the yarn. Now glue the lavender to the tip of the stick. Wrap the lavender around the stick as shown. Now glue the end of the lavender to the stick.